Hi, my name's Amina Bwachi and welcome to New York Fashion Week. In this episode, I'll be telling you some of the trends that I've seen for Autumn/Winter 2018 and 2019. The return of the power suit strongly vocalizes designer support for female power. Models marched down the runway at many shows, including Derek Lam, Nicole Miller, and Gabriella Hearst. Make a statement with a capital S by stepping out in leopard print. Shown in a spectrum of colors, R13, Adam Selman, and Tom Ford showcase the trend. Fuchsia is the new black. Seen on a number of runways, the ultra-feminine hue is set to brighten up fall. Carolina Herrera, Oscar de la Renta, and Tory Burch were just a few of the designers to showcase the bright colour. The return of the 80s is back in full effect. Neon colours, oversized proportions, and shoulder pads were seen at a number of shows, including Adam Selman, Marc Jacobs, and Alexandra Wang. Plaid is set to be big for fall and was seen all over the runway, from trousers and blazers at Michael Kors, capes at Zimmermann, and dresses at the Jason Wu show. I hope you've enjoyed hearing about the trends for autumn/winter. Check out the next video where I'll be showing you where and how to shop the trends for spring.